Yo guys, this is BIONT. Welcome back to my channel. I know this is the first time you're hearing out my voice, but I decided that from now on my videos are going to be like this, which means probably a little bit less memes, but I hope that they're gonna be a little bit easier and more interesting to follow through. So yeah, let me know down below in the comments what you think about this new solution. And yeah, without any further talking, let's just start with the project, the Piano House FLP. And yeah, don't forget to do all that good stuff, like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, share it to support these free FLPs. So yeah, let's start. As always, let's start with the drums, so let's get started with a kick.
More power!
Because kicks are good.
So now let's move to the claps. Yeah, but maybe let's add
Another one. And another one. Much better.
Alright guys, so now let's move to the open hats. Yeah, but let's add
Another one. And another one.
Alright, so now let's see what this pattern is made of. We have 3 hats, so let's hear them.
Sounds cool.
Alright, so then we have some more percussion and stuff, so let's hear them. Let's see what this pattern is made of. We have 2 percussions, so let's hear them.
Yeah, it's groovy.
Alright, we're finishing off the drums with alright, so let's hear it.
All right, I think we're good here. I think that's enough.
Alright, so now we can finally move to the cool stuff, such as the bass. Let's hear it. Nice. Let's hear it now alone. Cool, so now let's add the main element of this tune, which is the piano. So yeah, let's hear it.
2,000 years later.
Fuck lag. But yeah, now let's hear it alone. I'm not gonna spoil too much of the final result. We have 3 layers over here. And another very important thing is this Reverb Automations, which we have over here, which creates these very cool effects, sucking kind of effects. Let's hear it. This is without, and this is with, much better. Still in the drop, we also have this string which comes in the second part of the drop. So let's hear it alone, because anyway my laptop will fucking die.
That's nice.
Alright guys, so now we're moving to the break. I'm not gonna get too much in deep into this, because anyway the video will be just too long, but I'm gonna show you how the vocal sounds. So yeah.
Giving up on love, we're giving up on love.
It's just a splice vocal which I rendered and then doubled and did some processing to make it sound a little bit less shitty. But here in the drop, I'm using that same vocal to create this nice background vocal choppy kind of thing. So yeah, let's hear it alone.
Very cool. Very, very cool. That's cool.
Alright, so now we just have the last part in the drop, which is the effects / ambience part. And let's hear them all together. Quite standard stuff. Let's hear them alone. We have the first layer of ambience. Then we got this whip down thing. Then we got this 909 crowd. And then just a simple exhaust impact thing. Alright guys, so now that we finished the project, we can just add some effects on the master channel. Alright guys, now we're officially done with the project. I hope this wasn't too boring. Let me know in the comments what you think about this type of videos. And don't forget to check the link in the description to get this project completely for free. Sorry for my bad English. And yeah, let's just get straight into the final result.
Giving up on love, we're giving up on love. We're giving up on